Hello and welcome to my YouTube video. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to tink an SSP. I've got two SSPs here and I'm going to show you how to tink them. Tink stands for knit backwards, so it's like unknitting one stitch at a time. That's a knit stitch, a knit stitch. Here is the SSP and we can see that it's a compound stitch because we've got the double yarn here. So you're going to follow the yarn. The yarn is coming through from the back to the front and you just pull the stitch out. Now you have your two stitches with the reverse stitch mount. If you want to fix them, you've got to put them back in the normal stitch mount. I'm going to do one more. This is a normal knit. Now we're going to tink this SSP. We're going to bring our left needle from back to front through the hole at the base of the stitch. Pull the yarn out. Now we have the two stitches in the reverse stitch mount. We just need to straighten them out. And that's all there is to it. I have another video that's all about how to make an SSP over here if you want to check it out. Happy knitting!